What's up, guys? Today we're doing another unboxing, unbagging, and bagging. I guess it's in the bag, so I'm gonna unbag it first, then unbox it. So, let's see what's in the bag. Open this up here. Put this guy open. There's the unbagging. And here comes unboxing. Wow, this thing is tiny. Look at this. Look at this. What do you think this is? This thing is tiny. Look how small this is. So I guess there's really not much box to unbox. So let's open this up. Can you guys guess what it is? We'll find out. Alright, here it comes. Here it comes. Bam. It's the flashlight. It's the flashlight. No shit. What else do you think this is going to be? This, guys, is the DQG Tiny 26650 flashlights. This is 2,500 lumens. 2,500 lumens out of this little thing. It has 7 Cree XP-G2 LEDs. That makes the, I don't know if you can see it, but those are the LEDs. There's 7 of them. That makes it a focus. Whatever. Man, but this thing is tiny. What else? What comes in here? 2 spare O-rings. That's it? That's it? Yeah. Wow, this thing is tiny. Let me what I have here. There's a pack of smokes. Compared to it, that's how tiny that thing is. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this thing is tiny. Let's check it out though. So it takes kind of hard to unscrew. It takes one 26650 battery. Alright, no spring, so no spring here, so it's just gonna be straight contact, I guess. 2650 battery. Hope this fits. Yep, it takes 26650 unprotected cells, hydrogen cells, but so here it goes. This is supposed to be 2,500 lumens. Let's see how it looks. Whoa. What? What? Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look how bright that is coming out of this tiny little thing. That was turbo. Let's see. I guess that's medium. That's turbo or low. Let's see how this works. Okay, that's low. That's off. That's low. That's okay. Now it's cycling. That's low. That's medium. That's high. And then that's turbo. So wow, this thing is bright. Alright, let me take it outside and get you guys some nighttime shots outside, some beam shots. Ooh, this thing is getting hot. Alright guys, we're outside for some nighttime shots. As you can see, I live in suburban America, so it's not as dark as it is for some of you other reviewers, but we're outside with the DQG Tiny 26650 flashlight. So let's start it off on low. A pretty usable low. Not too bad. So we're going to go up to medium. This is medium. Starts to get better. Across the street, see a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to, oops, turn it off. So low, that's medium. So this is high. High. Across the street. It's reaching across the street. Up into the air. Really can't see it. But that's high. And from here, we're going to go to turbo. So this is turbo. And this is bright, guys. As you see, it's reaching all the way across the street to the neighbor's house. Even that neighbor's house. That neighbor's house down there. Let's see. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. Not really a lightsaber effect, but it is bright, guys. As you can see, I mean, that's all the way across the street. It's not really a throw, it's more of a flutter, but it is reaching across the street. I mean, all the way down to there. So it's got pretty good distance on it. Like I said, more of a flutter than a throw, but it does have some throw. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a dead cat across the street right there. So yeah, guys, that's it. Not too shabby, man. That's pretty good for a light this small. Pretty good. Okay, let me turn it off. Look at this. And as you can see, it glows in the dark too, so you can find it. But just as a comparison, I'm going to show you my through night TN12. So this is the through night TN12 on its highest setting. So it's about, if not brighter than TN12. Yep, well, there it is, guys. That's the DQG Tiny 650 2500 lumen flashlight. There's a car in the concrete jungle, but thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.